Welcome back to No Winning. Today we do not have an install for you. I'm just gonna let it out there, so you know, I'm just gonna throw it out there really early on. I do have a lot of boxes. We've actually been ordering a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna unbox these 4 boxes here. If there's enough time, you might see me wear the same shirt in another video, which will probably be next week, where we're gonna probably install the radiator. We've been driving the blue STI for maybe like a week now. And I think I figured out the problem to my overheating issue, because it's still overheating. That's news for you. So we're gonna probably put it on today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But for now, we're just gonna unbox some stuff, and hopefully you like as much as we like what we ordered. So we'll start with this weird shaped one. What could be in here?
New tripod, yeah!
It's a new DigiPower keyboard, so people can go watch that like 3,000 times, 4,000 times. Okay, let's see what we have here. If I can get it open.
First timer.
First timer. See the struggle. See the struggle. Okay. Okay. This is for our garage build.
Yeah. Oh, that's it?
I think that's it. So, we have ourselves here a red and white flag.
What? That's it?
Oh, yeah,
whoa, what?
This one. Here, help me roll it out. Alright, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep going, keep going. And boom!
Hey, this is nice.
Is that 8-footer?
8-footer?
8-footer. Okay. So now,
nice.
we're going to find a spot for this one. This is for the garage build.
Oh, yeah.
Garage build. So there's the first
Is
one.
it going to fit up there?
I hope so. It's probably have to go across like that.
Okay, you can put it diagonally. Diagonally?
Finally put it back.
Diagonally.
Okay. This box, we'll unbox it another day. You're going to have to wait.
Oh, yeah.
I think we've been teasing the idea of that unboxing for a week now, or 2 weeks now, so. I don't know where this was from, but I just ordered it out of school. So whatever it is, it is.
We are not sponsored by the North Face.
We're not sponsored by any of this. This all comes out of my own damn pocket. If you want to donate, please do.
What is that?
Oh, you know what?
That's something else. What is that?
I think it's my dad's. I don't know.
Okay.
Definitely not ours. But
That's hilarious.
there you go.
Edit that out.
Excitement there for you. My dad, if you're watching this, put like a different, I don't know, initial or something. I don't know your dad boxes. Alright. Go to the next one.
That's funny. Come visit us.
Visit us. Getting more gun stuff. These are all gun banners. Cobb tuning is a gun banner. Alright. Ready for this one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's red too.
It's red also? Bruh.
Alright, you ready?
Let's see. It's red also? Bruh,
Okay.
that's too much red. And then you're wearing red today?
It's orange.
Grimmspeed. Ah!
Not sponsored by Grimmspeed, but if you want to, hook us up. Send me works. Really appreciate it.
Hey! Oh, stickers. Oh, 2 stickers!
Yeah.
Those are cool. I think I like that better. Order a banner just to...
Alright. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
For the garage build.
Woo! Nice. You should get like a blue. Grimmspeed, we like blue stuff. They always have red, black, and
Red and black. That's it.
boo.
Everybody has red and black. Everybody always uses red and black.
Yeah, we gotta put blue.
ING, red and black. Cobb, red and black. Grimmspeed, red and black. Perrin, red and black. Change it up, damn it.
Blue! I tell you.
Okay.
The cars are only blue, I mean, geez.
Hope you like. Have one more box.
I like it.
I'm up right now. Put a time lapse of us putting it up. I don't know how we're gonna Cobb one's gonna have to go first, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm pretty massive. All right, this one. Oh, we didn't even show what this right here. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I like that. It's nice. It's like super nice. Handcrafted.
Speed begins here. And then I got a little bottle opener.
That's cool.
I don't know what else I had. I had ordered more. I'll double check. All right, this one I think is from Cobb. I think.
Who?
I don't know.
Access Sport people. 21 years.
Okay.
Woo!
Ooh, some shirts.
Oh, what? Oh! 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 I like that one. Who's that for?
This is mine.
Oh. Who's that for?
That one is.
Yay! It's mine.
Here. Yeah, get on the video. Ready? There you go.
I can't get myself.
I got 2 car parts here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you ready?
Finally blue. Man, dude.
Okay, this one. I'm not gonna open it yet. We're gonna have to wait for that video.
What's
What
that?
it is
Oh, yeah. Okay.
remember we did like the Scotia mount suction cup?
Yeah, yeah.
I like it, but I don't like it. So I bought something different.
What?
This one is a free flow vent, so it actually clips onto your AC, like your vent, but it has enough opening so air can still flow through it.
Oh, okay.
So that it pops up, because every time I put the Cobb sun visor,
Oh, you knock it off?
I knock it off, and I'm tired of knocking it off. So that one's that one.
That's funny.
And then this one is for the silver STI to go get paired up with this box that's down here. This is a bypass valve.
Ooh.
So honestly,
That's cool.
That's all we have today. Like
pretty
I said,
good.
you might see me in another video wearing the same shirt.
I mean, all the videos are you. Ow!
I meant to see me wearing the same shirt in a different
Oh.
video. We might do on the blue STI, we might do the elbow, one separate video.
Oh.
Killer Bee elbow, we already showed this in a previous video. Then we might do another separate video for the radiator hoses.
Cuckoo!
And a different video for the radiator, and then a different video to perk the systems. I like to perk things. So if you want to see more of that and more installs, like I said, there's still more parts to get installed. But please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. And I think I keep hearing everybody on YouTube saying if you like the video, it's helping us out. Like it helps with the algorithm. So just go like the video, please hook me up, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching.